YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with Pentair's Creepy Crawly Little Rebel. This is a suction side pool cleaner meant for above ground pools. We're gonna tear into this and show you guys how to do some quick fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So today we have a quick fix video on Pentair's Creepy Crawly Little Rebel above ground suction side pool cleaner. Quite a cute little cleaner, and today we're actually going to show you guys how to get access to the hose swivel / turbine shroud here, and how to replace it if for some reason this one breaks off, or if the bearing in between here on your shroud kind of starts to give off and you don't see that the cleaner can spin easily like this. It's time to replace this part. So if you guys want to know how to get the whole top shroud off, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We've got more videos on tearing this apart from the outside in. So for today, I'm just going to go ahead and pop the clip and pull this top shroud off. And as you guys can see inside with this full swivel assembly, this is also, it's got two parts. So one, it's your hose swivel. So this is what your hose is actually going to connect onto to draw the suction, which is going to drive the turbine assembly that's underneath, which drives the gears, which moves the entire cleaner. So this is a very crucial part to the cleaner. So if for whatever reason this thing is not functioning properly, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got links to purchase this directly from us. We typically carry these in stock for you guys at all times because it is a very high breakable part for the cleaner. So as you guys can see, there's no screws, no clips, no anything to hold the shroud on. The only thing that holds that shroud on is going to be your top shroud, the main cover of the cleaner. So if for whatever reason the clips on this thing have broken and this is not sitting on there and it's not staying sealed for you, you will want to replace this, because this is an important part to make sure that the turbine's sealed off well with the suction line coming in, to make sure that the cleaner can do its job efficiently. So if this isn't able to hold this down, then you run into issues similar to some of its counterparts like the Rebel. They actually have little outriggers that go on each side of the shroud that used to be able to just kind of help make sure that any of these shafts didn't slide. Pentair went ahead and got around that, and they actually placed screws in here. So now these screws are just pressure fit down to hold axles in there. So there's no need for those extra outriggers on this actual turbine cover. So it just sits in there. There's no other way that it'll actually sit on. You can't actually put it the other way. It won't fit the mold. So the only way it's going to go on, obviously, will be this one direction. This is going to be the front of the cleaner, so you typically want your bigger portion of the shroud facing the rear of the cleaner here for you. So just a quick tip for you guys to just slide it in and out. And then it's also really nice to be able to get access in here to your turbine to see if you have any dirt or debris stuck in here that could be stopping the functionality of the cleaner. So again, make sure you guys check out all the links in the description. We got tons more videos coming your way on tearing this cleaner apart and showing you guys some good troubleshooting tips. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.